Dear students, in last video, I show you how to get solution for a linear equation in two variables and how we will draw a table for solution of x and y. Here I will show you how to plot a graph. To plot a graph for a linear equation, we need at least 3 points. And plotting these 3 points on a graph paper and drawing a joining line, then we will get the graph for that given equation, that given linear equation in two variable. Here in exercise 4.3, I show you that how to write the tables with the help of the equation. Here, how to plot a graph. Here you can see one graph paper. On this graph paper, I have drawn two lines x dash x and y dash. On x, here its origin point O. You will write here 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 positive numbers you will write this way, and left hand side -1, -2, -3, -4 this way, and on y axis here positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 this way, and downside -1, -2, -3, -4 this way negative points you will denote. In table you can see for equation x plus y is equal to 4. First point we get 0 and 4. 0. Always remember that first coordinate is always for x axis. So 0 is here O point. So 0 and 4. For y axis 4 point. So first point we denote here. Then second point we get 2, 2. Means x axis 2 and y axis also 2. So 2 and 2. So second point. Then third point we get 4, 0. So 4 and 0. 4 is x coordinate and 0 is its y coordinate. So this way, by plotting these 3 points on graph paper and joining them, we will get the line for that equation x plus y is equal to 4. Always remember, write down this equation on this line always, and here you will write scale mark. So scale also you will always write here this way. For second equation was that x minus y is equal to 2, and for that again we get first point 0 minus 2. Here again you can see draw x dash line, y dash line, then origin point O. Origin points coordinates are 0, 0. Then OX is positive line and OX dash is negative line, and OY is positive and OY dash is negative line. So on these lines you will denote all the numbers, and then you will plot points that we get by the solution of equation. So 3 solution we get, that we get 0. First solution was 0 minus 2. So 0 is its x coordinate and minus 2 is its y coordinate. If I write here minus 1 and here minus 2, then minus 2 is y coordinate and 0 is its x coordinate. So first point I denote here. Second point was 2 0 means x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 0 this way. And for third point 4 and 2 means its x coordinate was 4. Here I write 1, 2, 3 and this one is 4. So the point is 4 for x coordinate. And here 1, 2 and 2 is its y coordinate. So third point I can denote here, and on joining these points I am getting this line, and on this line I will write x minus y is equal to 2. Third equation was y is equal to 3x. For that also we get one table, 3 solution for this equation, and 3 solution here I have denoted. For fourth equation was 3 is equal to 2x plus y, or you can say 2x plus y is equal to 3, or you can write it in standard form, 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. From that table of solution we can denote these points here I have denoted, and this line I am getting for that equation 2x plus y is equal to 3. So on this line I will write that solution. And this way, now here I have one graph for your fourth question, and in fourth question a story of taxi rate was there, and from that word problem we have make one linear equation in two variables, and that was 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, and for that also we get solution. And on denoting that points on this graph paper I am getting this graph, a line I am getting for this linear equation in two variable. For here from this line also we can get some more solutions also. In question number 6, we are having also again a word problem, that of distance and cover distance and work done. So from that we have written one equation y is equal to 5x, and with the help of that table we can draw this graph. In seventh question, in eighth question, we have that equation of Fahrenheit and Celsius. For that Fahrenheit and Celsius, we get solution of minus 40 and minus 40, 10 and 50. So, with the help of this graph paper, you can see that one point I denoted here minus 40, and here 10 and 50. But here you can see that I have not written 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3 that way, because I need 100 up to 100 numbers. So I denoted here for 1 centimeter 10, 2 centimeter 20, this way, so on. So here you need to write scale also, and scale you will write that on x-axis, and on x-axis we are denoting Celsius. So we will write like that, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 Celsius, and for y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 Fahrenheit. So this way, you remember this always. If you are drawing a graph on graph paper, at that time, you must have to write its origin point, x, x dash, y, y dash, and also here right side on this graph paper only you will write scale mark. So this way you can draw this graph.